DNA structures. How does DNA work? DNA is what gives you your traits, such as your hair color, eye color, and many others. DNA has 3 parts to the nucleotide, which are a sugar group, a phosphate group, and a base. RNA is a copy of DNA, and it happens when the hydrogen bonds break apart. As the strands break apart, they'll still match up with the opposite strand, A to T and G to C. Now, different bonds with DNA. There are 4 different nitrogenous bases in DNA, which are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The bonds between the bases are hydrogen bonds, and these bonds hold the strands together. Adenine bonds with thymine to create 1/2 of the DNA strand. Guanine bonds with cytosine to create the other half of the DNA strand. Another bond you see in the DNA nucleotide is a phosphodiester bond. This is the bond that keeps the sugar phosphate backbone together. This bond is stronger than the hydrogen bonds, so they break apart first. Guanine and cytosine contain carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen, and so do adenine and thymine. It is possible for uracil to replace thymine in a DNA structure for 2 reasons. Number 1, adenine, thymine, and uracil form 2 bonds. Guanine and cytosine only form 3. Number 2, uracil and thymine form oxygen-hydrogen and carbon-oxygen bonds in the same orientation with adenine. Now, how are the different bases able to bond with the correct pairing? And how is the DNA strand able to break into 2 intact RNA strands?